drove every inch of this trace, Natchez to Nashville, 61 on the New Orleans. We swam every creek, hunted every holler, fished every honey hole in between. She told me about a bird song calling out to the wild wind, and every time that bird sang, it always brought the storms in. Young lovers in a tree stand, thunder rolls and the weeds sway, holding on for dear life, making love in the pouring rain. When I hear the rainbow calling my name, when I hear the rainbow calling, I wanna kiss you in the rain, 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 rain. I wanna kiss you in the rain. Town, chasing that music city dream. Oh, 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 oh. She up and flew away before I knew what was happening. What was happening? I was too young and bold, love was too hot to hold. Lie awake on a stormy night, still trying to make it right. When I hear the rainbow calling my name, when I hear the rainbow calling, I wanna kiss you in the rain, 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 rain. Kiss you in the rain. I can see you standing there wanting me, a thundering echo from the past, haunting me, haunting me. When I hear the rainbow calling my name, when I hear the rainbow calling, I wanna see you in the sunshine, I wanna hold you in the moonlight, I wanna kiss you in the rain.